welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Stephanie Hansen and I go by Stephanie's Dish. And today I am making a lemon poppy seed cake, which is going to be super delicious. I'm having a dinner party. It's got like a cream cheese frosting and lemon and poppy seed throughout. I have started by getting my pans prepared. I'm going to be using 3 baking pans today, and I've got a parchment liner in there, and I'm using 1 stick. I've got 1.5 cups of sugar, and I'm also gonna add a 1/2 cup of oil and vanilla extract. And then I'm gonna go ahead and let that cream for about 2 minutes, kind of a long time. Butter and sugar creamed up well. Here's my vanilla. And I'm gonna let that go so that it really gets incorporated and luscious. While that is mixing, my next step is going to be to add 4 eggs, 1 at a time, and also my dry ingredients. So I've got flour here, just regular all-purpose. I've got baking powder, baking soda, and also some kosher salt. And that's going to be my dry ingredients. I love the flavor of lemon and poppy seed. I'm the author of the True North Cabin Cookbook, Volume 1 and 2. And in Volume 1 is my most amazing cake. It's a white poppy seed cake that has a custard, and then you frost it with whipped cream. Oh, it's so delicious. I make it for showers and people just love it. All right, I think my butter and sugar have been creaming long enough, so I'm gonna add my eggs. All these recipes can be found at stephaniesdish.com. I also have a Substack newsletter that you can subscribe to. Every Wednesday there's a free recipe that you get, and then on Sunday there's more recipes for subscribers. All right, there's our 4 eggs that have been incorporated, and from here we are going to add 1/2 of our dry ingredients and then some milk and some lemon juice and lemon zest. Add 1/2 of my dry ingredients, a little bit more than 1/2, but here we go. I'm gonna scrape down my bowl and add the other 1/2. Okay, I've got a 1/2 cup of lemon juice, so it's quite a bit. I've got lemon zest, about 2 tablespoons, and milk. Okay, last but not least, I'm stirring in 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Cake, because I have 3 pans here. And just by looking at this, I'm thinking maybe it's about 1.5 cups per pan. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job there. All right, I'm gonna put these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how we get them all frosted for a delicious lemon poppy seed cake. All right, friends. Our cake is done baking, and I've made our frosting, and it's time to frost the cake. This is a cream cheese frosting, which has cream cheese, butter, lemon juice, and lemon zest. You can get all the exact measurements at the recipe at stephaniesdish.com, and I'll put it in the comments here too. I'm gonna start with my cake plate, and I'm gonna put parchment down, because that will allow me to pull it out to get a clean cake plate for my presentation. And I took the one that's the highest and kind of the most rounded, and I'm gonna put it upside down. I'm gonna peel off our first layer, and I'm gonna start with a layer of frosting. Our cake is soft, and it's at room temperature, but I wanna push the frosting out to the edge, but not disturb the crumb of the cake. Because you can see there's crumb there if I lift it up. So this will be a good first layer. Okay, layer number 2. I'm also gonna do rounded side down and pull off our parchment paper. Repeat this same process. The best thing about frosting cakes is you can hide a multitude of sins, right? Final layer. This one I'm gonna do rounded side up so that I get a little bit of shape to the top of the cake. Okay, I'm going to frost the top just like I did the other layers, and then I'm gonna come back through for the sides. Okay, so I'm now gonna go along the sides. Oh, my dog Stanley's got some real feelings about something. My guess is it's the UPS man. And then I'm gonna go along with the bench scraper and straighten it out a little bit. You're just looking for maximum coverage. We're gonna come back through and touch it up after we've got frosting on the whole outside with my knife and clean it up. Whoa! Yeah, I've got a real leaner today. There we go. Making sure I've got it even. I'm gonna go ahead and refrigerate this to let it set up a bit. And then I'm gonna come back and do the final finishing touches to the frosting. I will leave the frosting that I have here out at room temperature. And just wanna give the cake a little stability in the fridge so that it stops leaning. But it looks pretty good. I will be back and show you the final finishing of our lemon poppy seed cake.